little bonus bit to this video. So this is how we gained access into this site, into this area, which was sketchy. That's got to go over there. It's not so much the beams that are underneath, they're pretty good, but these ones on top are not very good. And that machine, although it's a TB216, it's supposed to be 1.6 ton. You can see that figure. That's part of 1.9 ton. That's without the quick hitch, the bucket, and me sat in it. So yeah, it's well over 2 ton. Well, not well over, but it is 2 ton over. Let's film this for a laugh. Hopefully we don't drop the machine down in there. I wouldn't want to do that all the time. I don't know how that looked for you, but sketchy for me sat in the machine, especially when it's my machine. Alright, cheers guys.